Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best cleaning gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful presents you can give, showing appreciation for the hard work and dedication of cleaning professionals. Finding the perfect gift can be tricky, but we've curated a list of fantastic options that are both practical and delightful. From innovative tools to luxurious treats, we'll explore gifts that will make any cleaning lady's day a little brighter and their work a little easier. Number 5. BAIMEI IcyMe Gua Sha and Jade Roller Set. This set is perfect for self-care, helping to relieve muscle tension. It also reduces facial puffiness, leaving your skin looking fresh and lifted. It's a great gift for anyone. The Jade Roller provides a cool sensation, energizing your skin. It's smooth, sturdy, and won't squeak. This is a great addition to any skincare routine. The Gua Sha tool lifts your skin and improves fine lines. Using upward pressure, it helps shape your jawline. This can be used as a jawline sculptor tool. Keep the roller and Gua Sha in the fridge for a refreshing experience. It helps reduce morning puffiness, leaving your skin refreshed. This is perfect for starting your day. The face roller and Gua Sha come in a beautiful gift box. It's an ideal self-care gift. Remember to wash the tools before and after each use to keep it clean. What we like. This facial massager helps reduce puffiness and refresh your skin. It provides a cool feeling and energizes the skin, making it look dewy and lifted. If you are looking for a self-care gift to help someone look and feel refreshed, this is a great choice. What people say. The Jade Roller feels amazing on my skin, providing a soothing and cooling sensation. I've noticed a significant reduction in puffiness and an overall improvement in my skin tone. The Gua Sha tool is easy to use and helps with lymphatic drainage, giving my skin a lifted appearance. The roller itself is nice, the handle is sturdy, the two pieces roll well and it's very easy to clean. It also looks super sleek, the green bronze colors make it appear really premium. The same is true for the included Gua Sha stone. Number 4. SOJOS SJ 2067 Women's Retro Vintage Sunglasses. Looking for a classic and trendy look? These sunglasses are perfect for you. The large frame and round shape offer a vintage vibe that's always in style. These SOJOS sunglasses combine retro design with modern appeal. They are designed for women who appreciate timeless fashion. You'll love how they look. These sunglasses are not only stylish but also comfortable to wear. The large frame provides ample coverage, and the design is lightweight. You can wear them all day long. Whether you're at the beach, driving, or just out and about, these sunglasses are a great choice. They're versatile enough to complement any outfit. They are a must-have accessory. Get ready to turn heads with these fashionable sunglasses. They offer both style and protection from the sun. You will be very happy with them. What we like. These sunglasses offer a classic, trendy look with UV protection. They are perfect for various occasions, from casual outings to beach days. If you like a stylish accessory that complements any outfit while protecting your eyes, these are a great option. What people say. The cleaning caddy is very sturdy and well made. The cleaning caddy has a nice design with plenty of room for all the cleaning supplies. The cleaning caddy is a perfect gift for a cleaning lady. Number 3. TOPDesign Initial Canvas Beach Bag for Women. Looking for the perfect beach bag? This personalized tote is a stylish choice. It's designed to carry all your essentials with ease. Make it yours with a custom initial. This bag is a great way to express yourself. It's a thoughtful gift for any woman. Made from high-quality canvas, this bag is built to last. It can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. You can rely on it for years to come. Searching for a unique gift? This monogrammed beach bag is ideal. It's both practical and personalized, making it a memorable present. With ample space, this bag fits everything. From towels to sunscreen, it's ready for any beach day. It's also great for travel or everyday use. What we like. This personalized bag is made of durable canvas and can be customized with an initial. It's perfect for carrying beach essentials or everyday items. If you are looking for a practical and personalized gift, this tote bag is a great choice. What people say. The tumbler is a great gift for a cleaning lady. The design is beautiful. The cleaning lady loved the gift. Number 2. TOPDesign Initial Canvas Beach Bag for Women. Looking for the perfect beach bag? This personalized tote is a stylish choice. It's designed to carry all your essentials with ease. Make it your own with a custom initial. This bag is a thoughtful gift or a special treat for yourself. It adds a personal touch to your beach days. Crafted from durable canvas, this bag is built to last. It's ready for sand, sun, and all your beach adventures. You can rely on it season after season. With ample space, it fits towels, sunscreen, and more. The design is both practical and fashionable. It's the ideal accessory for any beach outing. Searching for a unique gift? This monogrammed tote bag is a great choice. It's a personalized present that she'll love and use often. What we like? This personalized bag is made of durable canvas and can be customized with an initial. It's perfect for carrying beach essentials or everyday items. If you are looking for a practical and personalized gift, this tote bag is a great choice. What people say. The cleaning caddy is sturdy and well made. The tumbler is insulated and keeps drinks cold for hours. The candle has a pleasant scent and burns evenly. Number 1. RENPHO 24x33 Electric Heating Pad. This large heating pad is designed to fit most body shapes, providing soothing heat to your neck, shoulders, and back. It can also be used on your waist, abdomen, arms, and legs. It's a great way to warm up quickly and relax. Looking for a perfect gift? This wearable heating pad is a warm and thoughtful choice for anyone. It's ideal for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion, making it a great gift for your loved ones. The LED controller offers 6 heat settings and 3 timer settings to meet your needs. The long power cord provides flexibility, and the weighted edges ensure a perfect fit. It also has an auto shutoff feature for safety. This ETL-certified heating pad has built-in overheat protection and is made of super soft material for maximum comfort. It's a great relaxation gift for anyone, providing a soothing experience. Cleaning is a breeze with this machine-washable heating pad. Simply remove the controller and toss it in the wash. Remember to avoid high heat when drying and to take care of the heating wires. Please avoid bunching, sitting on, or squeezing the pad. Do not use it directly on bare skin, and never use it while sleeping. It operates on 120V and 135W, ensuring safe and effective use. What we like? This electric heating pad provides soothing warmth to the back, neck, and shoulders. It features multiple heat settings and a timer for safety. If you are looking for a thoughtful gift to help someone relax and relieve muscle tension, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The adjustable heat settings allow just the right level of warmth, and the automatic shutoff adds peace of mind when I drift off to sleep. I love the size and functionality of this heating pad. You can adjust the temperature and timer. The heating pad is incredibly soft and comfortable, making it ideal for relaxing after a long day. The adjustable heat settings allow her to customize the warmth to her preference, which is a great feature. She particularly appreciates the large size, which covers a significant area and provides soothing relief to her back and shoulders. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.